Hey folks, it's Tanker here at Mobile Congress 2018, and I'm at the NOA booth, NOA. They're a company that makes smartphones primarily for the Croatian market, but these are really cool smartphones. This is the N10, it's not out, this is a pre-production prototype, but as you can see, it has the dreaded notch, well, not really dreaded, to be honest. I don't have any issue with it, but a lot of people do. It's one of the first phones with an actual notch, other than the iPhone, and so that's kind of exciting. Anyway, so this is the N10. I can't show you too much more. I got them to remove the glass for me, and that's about all I can show you. Here are some of the specs. You can see, and again, it's quite the display. I'm pretty sure this is OLED. It looks really gorgeous. Again, with the notch, and all tethered up, so I can't show you much more than that. I've got more from NOA to show you, so stay tuned for that. And remember, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Mobile Tech Podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Cheers.